students, Namaste. How are you all? Fine? Great. I'm also fine. So, are you ready for today's class? I hope everyone is sitting with their books, exercise books and all the necessary materials. Aren't you? Good. So, do you know what are we going to discuss today? Any guesses? Alright, yes, today we are going to discuss Unit 14, okay, stating units and quantities. And under this section, we are going to deal with getting started. So, shall we get started? Okay, so there are some pictures in your book. Look on page number 138. Okay, so here I am going to show you the picture, and then what you have to do is you have to see the units in which they are measured. Tiनीहरुलाई के unit मा नापिन्छ है? You have to tell me that. So as you see the first picture, there is a packet of oil. Oil, you know, oil is liquid. So when you go to shop, or you might have gone with your parents, your mother maybe. So have you heard what does she ask to the shopkeeper? कसरी भन्नुहुन्छ? के भन्नुहुन्छ? Oil किन्न जाँदाखेरि. Yes, exactly. She says, give me a liter of oil. Okay, because it's liquid, and like water we have. Yes, we say 1 liter of water, I drink 2 liters of water, 4 liters of water. The more you drink, the better for your health, isn't it? Okay, so when you go to shop and you buy, we want to buy oil, what do you say? A liter of oil or half liter of oil. Okay, so oil is measured in which quantity? Quantity भनेको मात्रा है, के मात्रामा नापिन्छ त? त्यसलाई के भन्छ त? त्यो युनिटलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ? Yes, exactly, liter. Okay. The next one you see is a sack of rice, and the hint is already there. So in what unit rice, a sack of rice is measured? Okay. Yes. Good. It is measured in kilogram. You see, 1 kg of rice, 2 kg of rice, or at your home you might have seen on the sack, त्यो बोरामा कति लेखेको हुन्छ त? 25 kg or 50 kg, something like that, isn't it? So, sack of rice is measured in, yes, kilogram. Okay, let's move to the next picture now. Okay, so let's go to Pokhara, shall we? Okay, let's not go there now. Let's be in our class. But you see there is written Pokhara and then there is 20 kilometer. Pokhara is a place, isn't it? So what unit is measured? You know what unit is required? What is the name of that unit which is used to measure distance? Okay. How do you measure distance? How? What is the unit? Very smart. Yes, it's written there only. It's kilometer. Okay. So you say my village is 30 kilometer from Kathmandu, or my village is 20 kilometer west. Yes, 300 kilometer east, like that. So distance is measured in what? Kilometer. Okay, km is the short form. Alright, the next one is, wow, what is this? Exactly, it's a 50 rupee note. So, what should be there? Rupee. Yes, that's the measuring unit of the amount. Yes, money. The measuring unit of the money is rupee. Here, actually rupee is used in our country. Different countries have different name for this, like there is dollar, Yes, there is pound sterling, yeah, there is dinar. So, different countries have their own different name for the money. Here in Nepal, we call it rupee. Okay. So, that is all. Let us have a review once. Okay, so the first one was oil. Oil, you know, because it is a liquid, what is used? Yes, it is liter. Okay. 1 liter, half liter, like this. Then there was a sack of rice. Yes, sack of rice was there. What did we use? Good, yes, it was kilogram. Alright, so it was kilogram, or you also call it kg. Yes, liter is written as L. Okay, and the next one was, what is the next one? Okay, it was distance. Okay, for distance what do we use? Okay, yes, exactly, we use kilometer. Okay, what is the short form? Yes, it's kilometer. That's written in your book also. Okay, and the last one was money, isn't it? Amount of money actually. So that one is rupee. The short form is RS. Okay, so this is how these things are measured. They are unit of measurement. Okay, so our topic you see is stating units and quantities. Quantities means amount, yes, and unit means in what in what thing those amount is measured, that is unit. Are you clear about it? Okay, so let's move ahead now. Okay, so see here what's written. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the box. You see there are certain words in the box. What are the words? Roll, bottle, cup, slice, piece and jar. Okay, so you have to fill up those words in these blanks. Okay, you have to fill up these blanks with those words. Now, what are they? As you have read just previously, they are measuring units. Okay, now you have to use these words in the blanks below. Can you do that? Okay, try once. Just fill up those words in the blanks below. A dot of bread, a dot of honey. You like honey? You do, okay. A dot of tea, okay. A dot of toilet paper, a dot of juice. Oh, yummy juice, okay. A dot of cake. Wow, cake. Okay, so come on, fill up these blanks with those words. Hurry up. Okay, so have you done that? All right. Now tell me, what did you write in the first blank space? A dot of bread. What should be there? What have you written? Piece. Piece is not used for bread. It's, what is there? Slice. A slice of bread. Okay, a slice of bread. Well, we call it a piece of bread when we are speaking, but actually it should be a slice of bread. Okay, then the next one is a dash of honey. What have you written? What is this? Just see the picture also. What is this? What can you call it? Very good. Yes, it's a jar of honey. Okay, a jar of honey. All right. The next one, a dot of tea. Yes, of course, it's a cup of tea because you consume it every day. You know that. All right. The next one is a dot of toilet paper. How is this? You see? What do you call this? Good, yes, a roll of toilet paper. Very good. Now juice, when you go to buy the cold drinks, yes, what do you say? What do you use? Yes, it's a bottle of juice, a bottle of juice. Okay, the last one, when you go to your friend's birthday and then what do you get? Yes, exactly, a piece of cake, or you get the entire cake. No? Yes, you get a piece of cake. Okay, so for cake, what is used? Piece. Okay, so that's about using the units for measurement. Now let's move to this poem. Listen and sing. So I'm going to play the audio of this poem. You just listen very carefully and then we shall sing it together. Alright? Shall I play the poem? Okay, here we go.
Come, little leaves, said the wind one day. Come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, for summer is gone and the days grow cold. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering one and all. Over the brown fields they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Dancing and whirling the little leaves went. Winter had called them and they were content, soon fast asleep in their earthly beds. The snow laid a coverlet over their heads.
Okay, so you heard that melodious sweet voice, okay, the poem. Now you have to sing with me. So you just repeat after me, alright? Okay, here we go. Come little leaves, said the wind one day, come to the meadows with me and play. Say? Okay, yes. So what do you mean by meadows? What a lovely place is that. So meadows बनेको चाहिँ चौर, okay, grassland. When after school you go back to your home and you play with your friends, yes, that place is called actually meadows, which is covered with grass. There can be some trees you see as here, okay. So come little leaves, said the wind one day, come to the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, for summer is past and the days grow cold. So which dresses they have to put on? The leaves? Red and gold. Why? Because summer is past, summer has gone and the days grow cold. Alright, so here what has been talked about? Tell me, do you see the wind is telling the leaves to put on the dresses of red and gold? When do the leaves turn red, gold, yellow color, brown color? When? Yes, very good. In autumn. When do they change color? Okay, in autumn. Okay, you see after summer what comes? Summer and then autumn, isn't it? Okay, so after summer, autumn comes and this is the time when leaves change into which color? Red, gold, brown, yellow. You see? Okay. So let's read it once more. Come little leaves with the wind one day, come to the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, for summer is past and the days grow cold. When autumn arrives, we feel a little bit cold, isn't it? Not too much, but we start feeling that is the beginning of the winter. Yes? So a little bit days are, a little bit colder. Okay. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering, one and all. What do you mean by fluttering? To move quickly in irregular motions. Like when the bell rings at 4 p.m., how do you run from school? Yes, you feel so relaxed. Oh my God, I'm free now, and then you run. Yes, here and there just to reach your home faster. So, when the wind curls the leaves, how do they come? Fluttering. Hasyang pasyang garde ke? Haina? Not in a proper line, just moving in irregular motions. Okay? Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering, one and all. All the leaves from trees, they came down fluttering. That means when autumn comes, yes, you see the leaves, they turn yellow brown, yes, and after some time they start falling down, because in winter trees are naked. Not all the trees, but nature has a rest in winter. So, these leaves start falling down from the trees in autumn. And now you have known the reason. Why do they fall down? Because the wind is calling them to play. Okay. Over the meadows they danced and flew, all singing the soft little songs they knew. Over the meadows, you see, in that green grassland, yes, the leaves are coming fluttering down from the trees, and they are dancing, they are flying, and they are singing the songs, soft little songs. They do not make noise actually, do they? So that's why it is called soft little songs they knew. What a lovely poem. Who has written it? George Cooper. Okay. So he is the poet who has written this lovely poem. Let us read once more. Okay, repeat after me. Come little leaves with the wind one day, come to the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, for summer is past and the days grow cold. Okay. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering, one and all. Good. Over the meadows they danced and flew, all singing the soft little songs they knew. Wow, very good. Yes, you sang so nicely. Okay. So, read this poem at home, practice it. Now, have you understood what is said here? The wind is calling the leaves, come down. How long will you stay there? Come down and play with me. Put on your dresses of red and gold, means come in lovely dresses, not only green. Put on your dresses of red and gold color, means the leaves change color in autumn. For summer is past, and after summer what comes? Yes, autumn comes, and in autumn days grow colder. Yes, so when the leaves heard the call of the winds, they came fluttering, yes, moving hastily, hurriedly to the meadows. They are dancing, they are flying, and they are singing the songs they knew. Okay, so tell me, what things are there? Okay, who are there? Who is calling? Very good. Wind is calling, of course. To whom? Yes, leaves. Now tell me, what are the two seasons talked about here? Two seasons are there. Yes, exactly. One is summer, which is already mentioned, and after summer what is there? Autumn. That's not mentioned, but here it is red and gold. That means autumn has been talked about. Okay, very good. Now let's move to the next one. Well, these questions are not given in your book, but I have kept it here so I can know how much you have understood. All right? Answer the following questions. So, if you have understood the poem, tell me, whom did the winds call to play? Whom? See there? Find the answer there quickly. Okay, very good. Yes. The winds called leaves. Okay, whom did the winds call? Leaves. You see, come little leaves. Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. Okay, let's move to the next question now. Oh, which season comes after summer? Yes, all of you, very good. Yes, autumn comes after summer. Do you like autumn season? Okay, tell me, which is your favorite season? Spring. Yes, it's mine too. Why? Why do you like spring? Flowers are there. Okay, very good. Yes, flowers bloom. Tell me some other reasons. Why do you like spring? Yes, of course, because it is neither too cold and nor too hot. We can go out and play, isn't it? So, spring is a lovely season. Winter, yes, you can, it's up to you. You can have winter as your favorite one, spring as your favorite one, isn't it? All right, let's move to the next question now. What did the leaves hear? What did the leaves hear? Read it and tell me. What is the answer to this question? Very good. Yes, it's wind's loud call. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call. Isn't it? The wind is shouting loudly, come and play with me. So, the leaves heard wind's loud call. Okay. What did they do in the meadows? What did they do? Did they eat? No? Then what did they do? Okay. Yes, they danced and flew. Over the meadows they danced and flew. Yes, so they danced and flew in the meadows. Okay, now. Okay, so you see, here is another question for you. Underline any 5 adjectives in the following poem. We have read the poem and you have also known what is adjectives, haven't you? We discussed about adjectives in unit 12 only in popular places, haven't we? Okay, so now you quickly read the poem and underline only 5 adjectives over there. Okay? Quickly read the poem and underline the 5 adjectives. Let me remind you, for example, you see sweet, apple. So, here sweet is adjective, isn't it? Like this. Can you find any 5 adjectives in the following poem? Quickly read the poem and then underline it. Hurry up. Okay, so have you done that? Very good. Okay. So tell me, what is the first adjective you have underlined? Okay, is this the first one? Very good. Yes, little leaves. How are the leaves? Little. When we get the answer of how, what type of, that is its adjective, isn't it? So little. Okay, what is the next one you have underlined? Okay, very good. Red. All right, red. Colors, all the colors are grouped as adjective. Okay, what is the next one? Very good. Yes, gold. It's gold. What is the another one you have underlined? Okay, very good. Yes, cold. Cold is another one. And what is the last one you have underlined? Tell me. Okay, soft. Okay, it can be soft also. Yes, it can be loud. Yes, there are soft, little again. Yes, there are adjectives. Okay, very good. So you have done this too. Now, see in number exercise C, what's given there? Look around your class for a minute. What objects do you see? Talk about their uses too. Now, have you ever looked around your classrooms? Okay, you have looked. Okay, then not only to your friends and teachers. Have you seen the walls? Have you seen all the corners of your classroom? What things do you see there? Okay, very good. Yes. Yes, there is board. All right. Then gate. Of yeah, there is door too. But what are the other things you see there? Okay, you see the marker. Very good. Okay. Okay, desks and benches where you sit. All right. So, do you see these objects in your classroom? Okay, you see them. So, can you name them? What are they? With correct spelling. Okay. So, what is this first picture about? Very good. It's a whiteboard. Okay. I hope in all of your classes there is whiteboard. If not, then you might have blackboard too. But blackboard is now replaced with this whiteboard. Okay. So, this is whiteboard. What is this whiteboard used for? What is board used for in your classroom? Yes, of course, your teacher writes there something as I have written previously, yeah. So, it is used for writing on. Okay. Do you write on the board? No, you should not write unnecessarily, okay, because it is used only for teaching. So, unnecessary things should not be written. Be good students, okay. Now, what is this next one? What is this? Yes, good. It's a marker. Because there is a whiteboard, we can't write with chalk, can we? No, we need a marker. Okay. So, what is this marker used for? Exactly, yes. This marker is used for writing on the board. You see the marker, this is used for writing on the board. Okay. Now, what is this next one? Is it a brush which is used for cleaning clothes? No? Okay, then tell me what is this? Very good. Yes, it's a duster. You see duster? Okay. Duster is used for, what is duster used for? Yes, to erase what is written on the board. To erase. Yes, it is used to erase. Okay. Meta online science anta, I know. Now, what is this? Oh my God, there are so lovely decorations. What are they? Tell me. What are they? Tree? Okay. But can you put the real tree in your classroom? You can't. So, what are they? Tell me. Do you have any such type of things in your classroom? You have. Okay, so they tell me what are they? Yes, that is chart paper. Okay, it's called chart paper. What is chart paper used for in the classroom? Classroom ma chart paper किन चाहिन्छ ल भन्नुस् त? Okay, to paste a picture, all right. What other things can be used? Using a chart paper. What does your teacher do with the chart paper? Okay, yes. Teaching materials are there. Yes, like in your book there is noun, pronouns, or there is a picture of heart and it is labeled. Yes, that is made in a chart paper and is pasted on the wall like your classroom rules. Yes, what rules you should follow in classroom, that is written on the chart paper and it is pasted on the wall. Yes, that is how a chart paper is used, like this one. You see? Yeah, different things are written there and then it is pasted so that the students can see there and they can learn even better. Okay, so that should be a decorative one. Why? You see, they are so lovely. Your teacher also make it lovely. You do make it. Your teacher makes you to prepare it, isn't? You see, there is tree also. What a lovely tree is there. You might have also pasted in your classroom. So that makes your classroom look beautiful. Yes, and another use, very important use, is that you can learn more better, isn't it? All right, so that's chart paper. Okay, now what is this? What are they? Very good, yes, how can you forget that? That is, they are desks and bench. There used to be time when the students have to sit on the floor. Now, you are very lucky that you do not have to sit on the floor. You have a very well furnished desk and bench. They are used for sitting. You sit there, you keep your books over there. Otherwise, it would have been so difficult, isn't it? So, but remember, do not write unnecessary things on the desk. Okay? It is found that you write things there. No. They are not used for writing, they are just used for sitting and reading. Write in your exercise book, not on the desk. Okay, I hope you will do that. All right. So, these things are found in classroom. What other things can be there? Tell me. Okay, very good. Yes, there is a clock also. Cupboard, yes, there can be cupboard where you can put your exercise books or your tiffin boxes, of course, and many more, isn't it? So, all right, that's about the things we find in our classroom. So, dear students, what have we learned today? We have learned the measuring units, isn't it? And then we have read the poem, the beautiful poem by George Cooper. Okay, and then we have discussed about the objects found in our classroom. Well, that's all for today, dear students. See you all in the next class. Till then, namaste.